In this video, you will learn how to start a restoration business. Starting a restoration business can be a rewarding and lucrative venture for individuals passionate about preserving and revitalizing historic structures, antique items, or damaged properties. Whether you're interested in restoring classic cars, renovating old buildings, or repairing damaged furniture, this comprehensive video will walk you through the essential steps to launch your own restoration business. From creating a business plan to acquiring the necessary skills and marketing your services, we'll cover it all. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first step in starting a restoration business is to identify your niche. Consider your interests, expertise, and the market demand. Restoration businesses can specialize in various areas, including furniture, automobiles, paintings, antiques, architectural structures, or even disaster recovery. By choosing a niche that aligns with your passion and skills, you can carve out a unique position in the market. Step 2. Research and develop your skills. Once you've determined your niche, it's crucial to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in that specific field. Attend relevant workshops, courses, or apprenticeships to gain hands-on experience and learn the best techniques for restoration. Networking with experienced professionals in the industry can provide valuable insights and mentorship opportunities. Step 3. Create a business plan. A well-crafted business plan is essential for the success of any new venture. Start by outlining your company's vision, mission, and goals. Conduct market research to identify your target audience, competition, and potential revenue streams. Determine your startup costs, pricing strategy, and projected financials for the first few years. A solid business plan will serve as a roadmap and help you secure funding if needed. Step 4. Choose a legal structure. Decide on the legal structure for your restoration business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has its own legal and tax implications, so consult with a business attorney or an accountant to choose the most suitable option for your specific needs. Step 5. Register your business. To establish your restoration business, you'll need to register it with the appropriate authorities. Obtain the necessary licenses, permits, and certifications required to operate legally in your jurisdiction. This may include general business licenses, trade-specific permits, and compliance with environmental regulations if handling hazardous materials. Step 6. Set up your workshop. Create a functional and well-equipped workshop where you can carry out your restoration work efficiently. Depending on your niche, you'll need to invest in appropriate tools, equipment, and supplies. Consider factors like space requirements, ventilation, safety measures, and storage solutions. Your workshop should secure funding. Starting a restoration business may require initial investment for tools, equipment, workshop setup, marketing, and working capital. Explore different funding options such as personal savings, loans from banks or financial institutions, partnerships, or seeking investors. Prepare a comprehensive financial projection that outlines your startup costs, ongoing expenses, and potential revenue to present to potential funders. Step 7. Build a professional network. Networking is crucial in the restoration industry. Connect with local artisans, suppliers, antique dealers, and professionals in related fields such as architects, interior designers, and real estate agents. Attend industry events, trade shows, and join relevant associations or organizations. Building a strong professional network can lead to referrals, partnerships, and collaborations, enhancing your business prospects. Step 8. Develop marketing strategies. Effective marketing is essential to attract customers and promote your restoration services. Create a brand identity that reflects the uniqueness and quality of your work. Build a professional website showcasing your portfolio, services, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms to engage with potential clients, share before and after photos, and demonstrate your expertise. Traditional marketing techniques like print advertisements, local directories, and direct mail can also be effective in reaching your target market. Step 9. Provide excellent customer service. Deliver exceptional customer service to build a positive reputation and generate repeat business. Communication, reliability, and attention to detail are key factors in providing a satisfying restoration experience. Listen to your client's needs, offer expert advice, and ensure timely project completion. Positive customer reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations can significantly contribute to the growth of your restoration business. Step 10. Pricing and contracts. Develop a pricing structure that reflects the value of your services while remaining competitive within the market. Consider factors such as the complexity of the restoration project, materials required, labor costs, and overhead expenses. Provide detailed estimates to clients, including a breakdown of costs and timelines. Use contracts or service agreements to establish clear expectations, protect your business, and ensure transparency in the restoration process. Step 11. Focus on continuous learning. The restoration industry is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest techniques, materials, and trends is crucial for success. Invest in ongoing education and professional development opportunities to enhance your skills and knowledge. Attend workshops, conferences, and seminars, and keep abreast of industry publications and online resources. Continued learning will allow you to provide superior craftsmanship and maintain a competitive edge in the market. In conclusion, starting a restoration business requires careful planning, a passion for preservation, and a commitment to excellence. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive video, you can lay a strong foundation for your restoration business. Remember to specialize in a niche, acquire the necessary skills, create a solid business plan, register your business, and invest in marketing strategies. With dedication, quality workmanship, and exceptional customer service, your restoration business can flourish in an industry that celebrates the preservation of the past for future generations.